In this video, we will see what is keyword intent. Keyword intent is finding user intent on search engine. Here are four different type of keyword intents. Number one is commercial, second is transactional, third is informational, fourth is navigational. So first we discuss about commercial keyword intent. Commercial keyword intent is basically when user do research before buy any product, like using best in searching. Let's see keyword leather shorts in Google. For example, we did the search about leather shorts keyword and we used best keyword before our main keyword. So this is the example of commercial intent keyword. So next we will discuss about transactional keyword. Transactional keywords are the keyword intent where the user intent is very strong and he want to buy a product. So he will use the word buy in his research, and on this keyword advertising also willing to pay. For example, so that is the example of transactional keyword. Number third is informational keyword intent. Such keyword where user need information about any product or query. Such keywords are best for good marketing opportunity. For example, we can say that informational keyword, what is the leather shorts? That was our main keyword. And what is before the keyword? And so that is the example of informational keyword. In this keyword, we are looking to find any information for product. It could be a leather short or it could be any product. So you can use it. Number four, navigational keyword intent. Such keyword intent is related to specific product, place or location or any brand. For example, we will see the example of navigational keyword. So in our research, we want to go at a specific place to buy a product. Such keywords are called as navigational keyword intent and their value. These are the keyword intent types and that are basics for content marketing strategy. And so stay connected to learn more about keywords and SEO.